have liver of pig, everyone. I have liver of pig to boil it for my dinner, and also boil it with all of these ingredients. And all of these ingredients I'm going to tell you specific and tell you step by step when I start to cook. So now let's cook with me. And if you guys think my video are necessary to you, please help me to subscribe my channel to see more video about amazing food like this to show you guys. So now go to cook with me. So now we start to boil. So now we start to cut kalanga, lemongrass, this Chlli, we add lemongrass, kalanga, garlic, our castor lamb, chili, and then the liver of the pig. We cut chili like this to make chili sauce for it with our liver of pig. Cut it step by step. Garlic. Add some cheese, sugar, fish sauce, lemon, then merge it. We add more our basil to be more delicious. So now our livers of pig is already cooked, so we can eat. It smells so good. It's really hot. We cut it step by step like this to be easy to cook. It tastes so good. It's really yummy. Wow. Why it's so delicious like this? It's really spicy because of it full of chili. It's spicy, but it's yummy. It is just my tasting, but it's really yummy. So now I think it is time to say goodbye, but everybody please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube if you think my channel are necessary to you, and subscribe for see more video about yummy food like this and the amazing food to show you guys. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video and for support me by subscribe my channel. Goodbye.